a gentleman is serious business. It demands humility, empathy, sincerity, trust, and honor. To be a true gentleman, you don't always have to be gentle. You don't even have to be a man. You have to have passion, which means taking everything seriously, except yourself. These are the people who make Gentleman Jack whiskey and Indian motorcycles. And once again, we've joined forces to make the machine gentlemen prefer. Introducing the Jack Daniel's Limited Edition Indian Roadmaster, the gentleman's choice.